Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Beatrice, what did you get for number one? I got 10.
That's wrong. No, it's not.
Okay, Emily, what did you get?
I got 11. What a dumb bitch.
Beatrice, stop.
I forgot how to divide. I got 11 too. Exactly, beat rice. I'm the smartest person here, so. No one gives a shit.
Ava, what did you get?
I couldn't even solve it because why is there a bunch of letters next to the number?
Just say you're stupid.
Jessica, do you want me to beat your ass? Is the answer 10 or 11? I'm confused.
Olivia, want to share your answer?
Give me a minute. She's erasing it. Just say it. I got 865. What the fuck? She needs to go back to 3rd grade. Beatrice, you got held back 4 times. I wouldn't be talking. Damn, 4 times? Olivia, you're like way off. Your face is way off. How about that?
Olivia, can you explain how you got that?
I'm too lazy, so no.
Class, Olivia is the only one that got the answer right.
How the fuck?